Governor, on the death benefits, is this funded by the state, given the state's finances? I'm sure it's difficult. And who qualifies as a frontline worker on this?
Yeah, it's funded. Any public employee who works in the state of New York, whether you're a city employee, county employee, state employee, that local pension fund or state pension fund will pay those benefits. Frontline workers, we have a full list, but they're the people we've been discussing. It's the frontline public health care workers, police workers, EMS workers, fire department workers, the people who showed up. And look, they showed up because I asked them to show up. They showed up because I required them to show up. There's not a transit worker who drove a bus or conducted a train or a nurse who didn't walk into an emergency room who wasn't scared to death. They knew what we were talking about. I mean, it was enough to shut down society, right? Tell everyone to stay home. But then in the same breath, I say to them, you have to go to work in the morning. It weighed heavily on me, it still does, that I had to ask people to do that, to put their lives literally in danger. And we knew they were putting their lives in danger, and that they did it anyway. I have such respect and esteem for what they did. And I want to make sure that we repay that, not just by saying thank you and running nice television commercials, right? That's why I use the words of JFK and Abraham Lincoln. You want to say thank you, show that you're grateful. Show the respect. And the least we can do, and I would say what we must do, is for their families, those who died from the COVID virus, make sure they get the appropriate death benefits.